Hello dancers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jelena and this is Ballet for All. Today I have for you a beginner's ballet class. We're going to do it at the bar. It's going to be very easy and I'm going to actually teach you how to do a Battement Tendus, a Demi Plié and a rond de jambe parterre and dehors and under that. I'm going to explain the skill, I'm going to tell you what the terminology stands for, and I'm going to demonstrate you the best of my possibilities how to do those skills. Also at the end of this video, I'm going to give you 3 exercises to improve and gain strength in your calves and your legs. So make sure to hang out until the end so you learn the exercises. Now let's have a quick look to what we are actually going to learn today, and then I'm going to meet you at the bar. Okay, our first exercise is going to be warm up at the bar. We are going to learn in this exercise how to do a demi-plié and releve. So demi-plié is a semi-flexion of your legs. We are going to bend our knee as much as we can without lifting our heels. We are going to make sure that our knee go over the toes, our chest is proud and open. Our glutes are going to be no tilt or stuck in. They're going to be controlled and trying to be over the heels, okay? Now, pelvis and spine are going to be in a straight line and the movement have to be fluid. It have to go down without stopping, at the same time go up really tall. Now, releve, we are going to do a demi point. We are going to stop on top of the ball of our foot. We are going to press arches and we are going to go down. We're going to repeat the same with the left and down, and now we are going to go both together. We stretch there, make sure that your legs are really straight and up, and legs together. So that's releve and that's demi-plié. So now we are going to do 3 demi-plié, 1 demi-point, 2 demi-point, demi-plié, both together, stretch and down. Music, and let's get to it. Arms to the bar, 7, demi-plié slowly, 1, 2, up, 1 more, push up and down, 1 more, demi-point, and down, 1 more left, and down. Now together, make sure you are on top of the ball of your foot. Now stretch, squeeze together, glutes, thumb inside, knee together, down, and repeat everything. One more. Test your balance, 1 by 1, slowly. Slightly forward. Okay dancers, now that we know how to do demi-plié in parallel position, now we're going to do it in a first, second and third position. If you have any question on how to do first, second and third position in a feet, please, I will strongly recommend you to go to my Instagram. I have there a perfect post for you. Now, demi-plié again, our knees are going over the toes, and what we're going to do is 3 demi-pliés in a first position, tendu, second. 3 demi-plié in second position, tendu, third, 3 demi-plié in third position, tendu, first. That's everything we are going to do We are going to face the bar, and if you are going to challenge yourself a little bit, then do it to the left side, sideways to the bar, but go slowly. Remember, we don't lift heels out of the ground. We keep a right position, and that turnout that comes from the ball of the hips, that going from the joint of the hips, thinking on toes, thinking on your knee over the toes. So that's it. Let's get to it. Okay, ready? Let's do right side. Belly inside. Demi plié. And slowly up. 2 more times. Push down at the same time that pushing up. Tendu slowly. And open your knee over your toes. Feel everything. Goes up. 1 more. Goes up. Tendu. 3rd position. Last time, go. Open your knee and up. Goes to upright position. Remember, super proud chest. 1 more tendu. 1st position. Arms slowly, test your balance. And now slowly down. Well done. Now to the left side, I'm not gonna talk, I'm gonna say nothing. I want you to focus and keep in mind by yourself everything that I just said. So let's do left side and think about everything. Test your balance before going arms down and slowly down. Okay dancers, now we are going to do Battement Tendus. Although you already did tendu to the sides, now I'm going to actually explain you how to do a correct Battement Tendus, forward to the side and to the back. We are going to do 2 tendu forward and 2 tendu to the back, facing the bar, and then 1 demi plié. Then we are going to do 2 tendus to the back, 2 Battement Tendus to the side, and 1 demi plié, and that's going to be our exercise. Now, how to do a Battement Tendus? Forward, we are going to open heel. So our heel is going to lead the movement. We are going to pass through a demi point, and then we are going to fully point our toes. Then on the way back, our toes are going to move first, heels stay forward, and we go all the way back to first position. To the back is the opposite motion. Toes move first, halfway out, full point, halfway in, heels move first to go back. Now, hips have to stay square, facing forward and level, and our base leg is going to be really elongated, really tall, because we need enough room to close our leg without bending our knee. To resume everything, to the front, heels are gonna lead the move and point, and toes are gonna move all the way back first, leaving heels forward. Now to the back, toes open first to a demi point, full point, and now heels are going back and to the side. You just remember to keep that heel facing the whole time forward. Your body weight is going over the toes and lifted, super tall, level hips, and a square facing forward. Okay, 2 tendu forward, 2 tendu to the side, 1 demi-plie. 2 battement tendu to the back, 2 battement tendu to the side, 1 demi-plie, and we repeat left side. This side I'm gonna guide you a little bit, but to the left I'm gonna say nothing because I want you to think by yourself and keep in mind everything that I told you. Now let's get to the exercise with music. Heels 1, 2, demi point and toes back. Again, heel open, demi point, toes go back to the side. Keep your hip square, facing forward. Don't stop at the demi point, just pass by. Plié. Now test your balance, toes on the floor, and repeat everything to the back. Remember, toes and heels return, hip stay forward. Side. Side. Demi-plie. Now go up, test your balance, stay, 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 and down. Okay, dancers, you made it to the last exercise. That is going to be round the jump parterre, unders and under dance. Again, we are going to do it facing the bar, but if you have done these exercises before, you can do it sideways to the bar. Now, Round the jump. It is basically a Battement Tendus forward that keeps going to the side and then keep going to the back and returns to a first position. Now look at the movements that my legs are doing, and I'm pretty sure that is going to remind you some instrument that we used in math when we were kids. I'm not sure if you still use it if you are an architect, but what does this remind you? Which instrument from your math class? If you remember the name, I would love for you to tell me in the comments below what is the name of these instruments from math classes. Now we are going to do 2 round the jump on the oars. That means open, you see, and on the down, that means closing. So we are going to do 2 on the oars and 2 on the down. That's everything we are going to do to the right side, and then we're going to repeat it to the left side. Your body weight has to slowly be transferred over your toes without sinking in, lifting your base leg. Just that, and keep thinking on the rotation of your legs. Let's do it with music. Right side I guide you, left side I leave you alone, okay? Heel. 1, 2, slowly, 3, take your time. Back and first position. Go. Slowly, keep going, change. Keep going, keep going. And repeat on the down. Open, turn, turn, hips stay forward. One more. Test your balance now. And down. Okay, great, so you made it till the end of our class. So therefore, I'm gonna teach you now the 3 exercises that I said at the beginning. So basically, the 3 exercises that I love using to strengthen my legs and gain strength in my calves is just doing some parallels rise. Only that. Second exercise, we are gonna do coup de pied, a parallel coup de pied, and we are gonna raise up and down. We are going to change, and we are going to do that. And our third exercise, we are going to use a pillow. We are going to put it between our legs. We are going to squeeze, and we are going to raise up and down. And basically what we have to do is to avoid dropping our pillow. So those are the 3 exercises that I love using, so I hope that you like them, you use them, and let me know in the comments below if they did help you or not. Now we are going to do 3 sets of these exercises, beginners 8 repetitions, intermediate 14 repetitions, and advanced are going to do 20 repetitions per set. So thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time.